Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching me from. Thank you guys for watching my video, my returning subscriber. Yes, it has been a long time, a while. Yes, that was because of some circumstances, okay? But I promise it won't happen again. I'm sorry for that break transmission. It won't happen again. Thank you guys for watching my video, for subscribing to my channel, for the like, for sharing it. Thank you for the calls, for the messages, for the test, everything. I say thank you guys, thank you guys, thank you guys. Without wasting much of your time today, we are diving into the video that say self-centered. Our topic of today is self-centered. When you are self-centered, how do you know that you are self-centered? So many people are self-centered, they don't know. Self-centered is also likened to be pride. Self-centered and pride are likened. They are similar. How do you know that you are self-centered? Everything is all about you, me. You know, they think of waiting the next person. You know, they consider the next person. You know, whether in relationship, whether in family, whether in a business, whether in church, in anywhere, it can happen. Everybody, they get self-centered for different ways. If you be oga for work, you be general overseer. You not go fit do the work of manager. You not go fit do the work of secretary. You not go fit do the work of normal workers. No. And if you say because you be oga, you don't want to listen to manager. Now, not be waiting manager go talk go rule my company. Not be waiting secretary talk go rule my company. Not be waiting your normal staff talk go rule your company. Brother, there is a whether you are a man or woman, there is a proverb that say if you waka enter gathering and you happen to meet people, and you get opportunity to talk to those people, and you never allow them to talk to you, you never allow them to speak to you, and you be the biggest fool wey come up for there that day. How? Because they gained something from you and you didn't gain anything from them. It means you went there, empty yourself, and return back. Because if you speak to them and you also allow them to speak to you, at least out of every sense there is a nonsense, and out of every nonsense there is a sense. We not just they come out, as you see, I not be a normal blogger where we say anything where they happen for the society now they bring for my channel. No. We they compare our life with Bible, day-to-day comparison, because I'm not ashamed of the gospel. We they compare our life day-to-day with the Bible. These things where they happen to me, is they Bible? And mainly they come out because most women, they know they feel they speak for themselves. They know they feel they talk. I they shame. You know, they go laugh me. They go do this. Self-confidence matters a lot, because if you get self-confidence for yourself, whether as a woman or as a man, now the next person when they come, go take treat you. But by the time, you know that proverb we say, if you say this your thing, not they valuable, person where they come go use leg kick and throw away. Because now where you position now the person go take see and kick and throw away. If you put her for a very esteemed place, person no go fit go there go say, this one where they go keep, so no, this thing must be special. So now so it be. That is why we come out to speak. We know they come out say you be woman or single mother or single woman, say you come out they disrespect your husband in the wrong way. You they disrespect your husband, or they teach you say if your husband talk one, you talk 30. If your husband talk no. They know they encourage you to live any house, to live any marriages. They know they encourage you. Nobody they encourage you to live. So self-centered is a very bad thing. We need to deal with it. Like for instance, I was talking to somebody the other day. I say, I take permission from my children when they are watching telly. I take permission from my children when they watch telly. Say, please, darling, can I just watch something for 5 minutes? Oh, no, mommy. No. I say, please, just 5 minutes. Say 5 minutes. I say, okay, 5 minutes. We get that code, you know. That one don't miss another shout or the society. I say, what's wrong with you? I just want to watch for 5 minutes, you know. He say, you didn't take permission for your children for what? You didn't spoil them. Now look at. Say, how did they spoil them? He let you know, say, whatsoever you sow is what you will reap. I don't know that most of I don't see this video where go viral. Now WhatsApp I for see. I don't know when I see for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, any other social media. But now WhatsApp me for see my own. This woman dress her daughter. The mother was so beautiful, but she wear clothes where be say the two of them wear gown. She wear her own where be say they from ground, from her toe, tear and reach the up of her lap, almost by her pants. and her daughter own was normal. So they dress and say, Mommy, let's go. And the daughter said, Mommy, you look so beautiful. You are so gorgeous. He said, but wait for me. The pikin run enter inside house, carry scissors, tear you reach exactly where mama will reach. He come out and he say, Mommy, let's go. And the mother shout, what happened to your cloth? He say, Mommy, I want to be like you. The woman burst into tears. Why? Children of nowadays, they don't care to listen to what you talk. Now you they read. So anything where you they do them, where you they tell them, tomorrow when they want to interrupt you, don't just collect the remote, change them. They cannot tell you sorry. Say, Mommy, that is how you have been doing it now. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Sometimes when they do something, my daughter, no, Mommy, it's not like that. You said we should not do. I said, okay, sorry. Now you that they read now, they not they get time till they read book or get time till they listen to what you tell them. Now as they see you so, as they play, they show. Now they see. All those do what I do, don't do what I say, do what I say, don't do what I do. Gone are those days. This technology children we will get now, they read you. Now you that they see, now you that they read. So one brother they tell me that they say, you know, if he beg his children, if he beat his children. I say, you never ever beg your children, say no. So many of our parents, because this thing grow with us. Not because you say some, because when I don't day Europe, all those things, our culture, nobody's throwing away culture. If you look those things, all the self-centered thing, your papa will say, now this one you must do, and now you must do. Your mama will say, now this one you must do, and now you must do. All those force. Now you they make so now you they see so many children they wayward, they do one or two things. You don't force children, let them come out with them. You they think of what you want gain because you want make your pikin be footballer. You they think of what you want gain and the respect and the pride you want enter your body. You think of the damage we go give to that pikin because everything are all about fame, money. You think of the happiness of that child. Say you want make the pikin become footballer and the pikin wants to be fire agent. Those people where they quench fire. Now just be the pikin dream. Now go give her joy. Or the pikin want become nurse or doctor. Now be dream we go give her joy. Or the pikin want become people where they pack dirty for streets. She just like everywhere to be clean. See everywhere clean. I don't want to be joy. You say, my pikin can never pack dirty. My pikin can never do this. My pikin can never work for insurance company. Now this one I want make it be. Like I see one man. My pikin can never be chef. Now this one I want my pikin be. Is it all about that? You are self-centered as a parent, as a spouse, as an individual in the work, everything. You are self-centered. Self-centered means all about you. Now what I want, now what I want. Like if you see some husband and wife now. Now the day where you want sex, now you go near your wife. The day where you don't want sex, your wife no get any say. You not even want listening whether she's in the mood or nothing. It not concern you. For you, now lady the way man want now be. And for you as a woman, you don't know that your husband they mood or something. This topic not be for man or for woman. It's for the both side. Before they say today now for men, tomorrow everybody now get an as it be for man, as it be for woman. So sometimes when we say you come out say, I don't want this one. Like some men are the food they want, they'll cook for that house. If they want watch telly, every other person must silence or you leave that room. You leave that living room. Your children not get voice for where you did. You don't feel listening to your children. Daddy, I don't want to do it like this. Let me try this way. Shut up. This is the way I want you to do it. Do it like this. You did downgrade the child. The pikin not go fit speak out for outside. The pikin cannot be confident of himself because you, everything are all about you. Now, doctor, you must be. Now you go be. Why you not become the doctor, Oga, since you so much like doctor? Why didn't you become the footballer? Since now be your dream. Don't impose things on people. My wife must not plait the hair or carry human hair. My wife must not enter social media or this. My wife must not do this or that. My wife must not follow this person play. My wife must not go this place. My wife must not do this. Like seriously? You don't talk your own, you don't rest. You don't know whether the person get joy, get happiness. You know what they kill us more. He said loneliness kills faster than AIDS. Than even cancer these days. Everything all about me. This person be want to do this. If you're not going to let me talk, oh. Now as my husband want that. Now so I want to do it. Like seriously. Self-centered is more like pride. If they do that thing, I go listen to my wife for what? Woman, when me marry, I'm the head of this house. Whatever I say is fine. Hey, brother. You are bringing yourself down because you say Pride come before fall. Now you they bring yourself down, not be me talk and I say Bible is there. Say pride come before what? Fall. Is liking to be pride, self-centered and pride. Is liking. Don't sit down. Say my pikin must be this. This pikin teacher. You know, we impose so many things. Like you don't care of the next person. I like tennis, and my daughter they happen to be Serena. As we say Serena Williams, they play tennis. Do you want to play tennis? No. Do you want to play basketball? No. Do you want to do this? No. Which one do you want me to register you for? Mommy, you know, if not, some people say you must do this or you must do that. Let her come on her own. Anything they give her joy. You say you need instruments, guitar or this or that. Or is that what you want? You say yes. You want to register in a singing school? No more like let me be learning first. Everything you get them. My pikin cannot be a musician. If not that one make her day happy all the rest of her life. Do I have choice? Musician they spoil. Musician they do this. Now so you go come do this. Now so you go come do that. Happiness matters a lot. The only guidance you need as a parent is to pray for your children that their paths will be directed of the Lord, not you imposing things on them. You talk. He say, men preach to people, but God turneth hearts. The heart of a king, Proverbs 21, verse 1, is in the hands of the Lord. He turn it to whichever side he wishes, just as river turn water to whichever side he wants. Not you turning it. You are not the God. You are not the God. You are only the parents of that child. You are only the husband of that wife. You are only the wife of that man. You are only the oga at work. You are only the pastor in the church. Not you doing the job of God. This is what I want, Lord. But whichever one you know is going to be good for my children, or for my spouse, or for my members, or for my workers, let your will be done. And see what God will do. We'll read one verse. You know, say, when they do this video comparison with Bible and our day-to-day living, if you see and say, I know they do all those bloggers where we say anything when they happen for social media, you just carry and come. Will they talk about our day-to-day life? Because some women not they feel speak for themselves. Some people not get confidence of themselves. When not they tell you, say, may you come out now, come they insult your husband, come be head of the house because now you be breadwinner. Whether you be breadwinner or you not be breadwinner, your respect as a wife, still give it to your husband. Whether you be breadwinner or not, your respect as a husband, still give it to your wife. I demand respect in as much as you demand. You don't do things behind me and say because I'm a woman, and I don't do things behind you and say because I'm the one that is, I'm a woman, I'm the one that is bringing all the money. No, we should come to agreement. Respect is reciprocal, not self-centered. If you see some men now, you go don't build us, you go say what you concern you. Why must I tell you? And you go quarrel with that woman, say build us tomorrow. And another topic, maybe our next topic we will talk that one. May I finish this self-centered? So let's open to the book of Proverbs 11 verse 25. May we see what the Bible tell us for. There not be me talking on our Bible. Proverbs 11 verse 25. See, he say, the generous soul will be made rich, and he who waters will also be watered himself. He who watered will also be watered himself. You dey train your pikin for school. As you dey train the pikin, and yourself you still dey train. Because when the glory come tomorrow, as you dey the pikin body, now so you go dey your body. Then another version say, a generous person will prosper. He that refresh others. I like that version. He that refresh others. That one is a King James. He say, a generous person will prosper. He that refresh others will be refreshed. Give and shall be given unto you. I hope say most of them they listen. With the measure and the way you press together, running over, so shall it return unto your bosom. You give your wife love. Now that love you go get. You give your children peace, love. Now you go get. You give them hatred. That is what you will still receive. There is no two ways about it. He said, a generous person will prosper. He that refresh other will be refreshed. More look at Matthew 10:39. Matthew 10 verse 39. He said, he who found his life will lose it, and he who lose his life for my sake will find it. He who found his life will lose it. He who lose his life for my sake will find it. More also look that Matthew 16, verse 25. May you see they tell us the same thing. 16, verse 25. He said, for whoever desire to save his life will lose it. But whoever lose his life for my sake will find it. You as a man, you say, because now you be your God for us. Man is the head. Man is the head. Some of you, they misquote this thing. Nobody's taking that head from you. Where head dey so? Leg not go fit waka, make it come the male head go down. It's not possible. You are a man. Your testes has already made you a man. Nobody is coming out to remove it and put a ekpekus for you. You are already a man, you are a man. You show your muscle, you show your power, you are pride, you are self-centered, all those things. It will not add to your man or reduce you. You are only doing yourself. I am your father, your mother, your this, your that. They're talking for the children. It will not make you higher than where you are. You are already a mother, you are a mother. You are already a father, you are a father. It will not give you extra or reduce you from a father. So may we try. He that waters other will be, he that refresh other will also be refreshed. Give and it shall be given unto you. Pressing together, shaking, running over. As men give unto you, so shall it be returned unto you. Not be magic. Now make you see, we they do comparison with Bible. These things they yes. Now as we they see, so we they see, if they play, if they show. You know they skip, if they show. More look another verse for Bible will be Acts 2. Acts 20, sorry. More look Acts 20 from 32 to 35. They read all these things if na me they write them. Acts 30. Acts 20 from 32 to 35. More just read them. So now, brethren, I command you to God and to the word of his grace, which is able to build you up and give you an inheritance among all those who are scattered. I have voted no one silver or gold nor apparent. Yes, you yourself know that these hands have provided for my necessity, and for he who wear with me. The last verse. I have shown you in every ways by labor like this that you must support the weak and remember the word of the Lord Jesus, that he have said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. It is more blessed to give than to receive. If you look past, more use past, stay look at now. Because we all know, say, the love of mother and child is the greatest in the world. Scientific, biblical, in otherwise, the love of mother and child is the greatest. Okay, now we know say parents give their life for their children, especially mothers. I'm not trying to say fathers are not good. Fathers are very superior. If you see some fathers, they even do more than mothers. But you know, the love of a mother cannot be compared to that of a father. Some worthy father, they can do 10 times better than mother. Worthy ones. Then, a love of parents. You know, parents can give up their life. If papa gets just one cup of water, he prefer me picking drinker than for him to drink. I know these days we say, drink little and give the child little. You also need help as the child need help less. Yes, but they refer us back to see the love of parents. Now, if you look, relationship, marriage, relationship, whatever it is, you say one, they always bend down for the other. And that one where they always bend down, you see say things they move well for that one, past the one where they always say is me, self-centered. I don't know that one, they try to notice this thing. They say one, that one where they always bend down. In life, they move past the other one where they think, say, I am up, I am this, I am that. Because say pride come before fall. Humble yourself and I will exalt you. What is the meaning of exaltation? We lift you. So, when you say these things, they happen. The other one just say, Many of us say, you too mumu, you be fool. Why you go still dead there? Why you go still do that? Because say, he that loses life, we find it. Now make most of una we don't use superior. Na me be oga, na me be top. Una don't lose una relationship, lose una marriage, lose everything. Whether man or woman. I don't get any specific person to talk to today. We are talking to both parties. Some people, they do these things where they say they don't know. Now me. Try to take advice from the next person and consider other. Put others in consideration first. He said, there is no better love than he that gaveth his life for his friend. I cannot die for you. It doesn't mean you will die with death. I know so many times where we say, this one, this thing you want, okay, sacrifice. Most of us don't want sacrifice for another person, but you want me to sacrifice for you. Where we're going more and not go, we are going, we're going more. Impossible. You as parents, you say you not fit beg your children. And you want me your children come they beg you. It's what you sow that you will reap. You as a husband, you say you not fit beg your wife. You want me your wife beg you. Now what you sow you go reap. You will be your guy for top. You say you not fit beg your followers. Now what you sow you go reap. Pastor will say you not fit beg the members. Now what you sow you go reap. So in all this denomination, with the see it they show, it they play. Nothing like superior or inferior. It is what you sow that you will reap. Now would they look. Most still check. I know say most of them know this is a story of Naboth and Ahab and Jezebel for Bible. If you don't know, try to read that in 2 Kings, 1 Kings, 2 Kings. Ahab will be king. Hey, self-centered. May God not let it come into us. Ahab will be king. He get everything. Oh, me yave no ba me vie. Me no mo vien. My people. The only vineyard where Naboth inherits from his parents, a father, mother, no, no. From his parents, the only inheritance where that one get, he said the way that one cultivate. You know, when you get one cloth, the way you go the iron and the straighten and make it not tear. The only one when you get that one cultivate and beautify and do everything. You say now that one enter your eye. You want collector, self-centered. All the things where you get now that one they your eye and they find every mist to the extent of killing Naboth to collect that vineyard. God of justice, and they fight. You see some men how they go dupe their wife, render the woman useless, leave her with nothing. See some woman they go dry the man, render her useless, nothing go waka comot. You see some parents now. Or some children, they go drag their parents, render them useless because they smoke, drink, they don't want to put wife from one place. You see some parents, when their children, they Europe, they go drag the children, they enter meeting, do one or nonsense, rip them of their property. Because you did what? Self-centered. You go see your guy, he not go pay you the right money for work. Because why? It is self-centered. Self-centered. You know what make you be like her? I mean, I'm not JV. You go see pastor for church. Fear not go let and give you some roles where you know so you dey good at. If he preach, he go collect my members. If he talk this, the fee say na him can be the best. Self-centered. Self-centered. They destroy many things. Not be only marriage. Not be only homes. Not be only relationship. Not be only offices. Not be only church. They destroy everything. Between friends, between families, between every when you are self-centered, it destroys. Self-centered is very bad. It's a destruction. More read one more. James 4. More look James 4 verse 10. James 4 verse 10. Say, humble yourself in the sight of the Lord, and he will lift you up. Humble yourself in the sight of the Lord, and he will lift you up. More look at 1 Peter 5 verse 6. They tell us the same thing. He said, wherefore humble yourself under the mighty hands of God, that he may exalt you in due time. That he may exalt you in due time. Humble yourself that he may exalt you in due time. You see some parents now. He say your pikin insults you since I was born. I never ever see any pikin who never ever insulting parents. If you want to prove me wrong, come out in any way. They send you message. Now let me want this is an insult. Your mother talk, you ignore is an insult. You know me say you dey crazy or you dey mad or something go kill you. Now be the only insult where they insult. What is this one they talk? Is an insult. I beg I not if you do that, send you message. It's an insult. I never see any child where go saying go stand up. Never ever insult your parents. It's impossible. Go and give me this thing. I will not. No, I will not go. Is it what? Is it a blessing? It's an insult. say your pikin insult you. You say your pikin do this, your pikin do that. Your husband, your wife do this, your wife do that. Your husband do this, your insult. Self-centered. You no care. Like if you see so many men and already the day where they want sex, now they go sleep with their wife. Woman, not fit ask me. Talk to somebody that they say not fit beg your children. Shock. It shock you. It shocked me too. Beg your children for what? Why you go beg your children? They are children. If paraventure say I shout for them, I hit them, or I say their eye spoil for each other. Sorry, you know mommy don't want you to do this. You know mommy don't want you to do that. I'm sorry, it will not happen again. But promise me you will not do it again. Beg your children. Like I talked for the other of my video, say if I thought say I don't get time for my children from morning to evening. Say I don't get time, maybe something is busyness, something. You see that night before they sleep, not be by boast. You see that night before they sleep, they must climb me. We must talk nonsense, joke, gist, laugh. They must use laugh. They on top of their bed before they sleep. I can't remember or count how many times I don't send my children go to bed with anger, or maybe they cry, all those things. I can't remember. Not that it is not happening or it has never happened, but I can't remember. I know if I tell you now, say it never ever happen, or you know they happen, but I not just feel remember how long or when. Maybe sometimes once in a month, once in a year, once in how many, I don't know. You know, you see that night, all the play, we must play all of them before they sleep, because we all have the time. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it not go kill you. It not go remove anything from you. It not go reduce you or bring you up. We need to learn. We need to learn. We need to really learn as a parents, as a spouse, as an oga in the work, as a pastor, everything. We need to learn. He's under me. He's my subject. He's my this. He's my that. No. I know many times when my children don't say me, mommy, this thing, can we just do it like this? Or it's not this one, let's do this one. And it will work perfectly. I know how many times when I don't save big people. Auntie, you know, think if we do this thing like this, or uncle, if this thing will say okay, perfectly. Thank you. You don't always look down on people. Self-centered. You know, they consider before, as a parent, before you do anything, first of all, consider your children. Consider your spouse. Sorry, excuse me. What will come out of it? No, you just do the thing after all. That will me get my money. Your children never pay school fees. You say na motor. That be your problem. You go buy motor. Your children, you never even get better food, or you say na house be your problem. Now you want fair do. All those one make them wait. You know, cause anything when they say me that they manage. You forget say when they say greet them, not be house that they say me you greet, or your cars. We ado wo wado or we motodo we modo wa medo wododo. Maybe. So most of the time, where would they do things? Let's try to learn. Learn. We learn every day. Parents, if your children offend you, beg them. Children, if you offend your parents, beg them. Oga, if you offend your workers, beg them. Workers, if you offend your oga, beg. Pastor, if your followers offend you or you offend them, beg. Followers, if your pastors offend you, you offend your pastor, beg. Beg, boyfriend and girlfriend, children, parents, spouse, husband and wife, oga for work, pastors or anything, beg. Don't bring yourself to. I say it is when Job prayed for his friends that the Lord exalt him. Did they not offend him? But he still pray for them. Say you too big to beg. You too big to say self-centered. Everything is all about me. It's all about me. It's all about me. It's all about me. When it's supposed to be all about God. Now it's not all about you. See wahala go dey. Thank you guys for listening to me. As I am teaching, so I am also learning. I pray say all these verses, more than they read them, make things they come out. And I pray say our topic no go sorry, I say our topic. I no go ever keep long again. This, I'm so sorry. Sorry. After my vacation, I was a bit ill. So that was why I couldn't. You can still hear it from my voice. So that is why. But I promise things are okay now. Everything. Everywhere good. Everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere marama. Thank you guys for watching my video, for subscribing, for liking. Please, when you watch, always like the video. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I pray, say, may these words still sink into us. Thank you guys. Bye. Bye.